Hey guys, with summer right around the corner, if you own a Jeep or a Bronco and you love to take the top off of your vehicle, but the thought of getting cooked in the summer heat is not that enjoyable to you, then the JTops Bimini top may be what you're looking for. It's been about a year ago since I purchased the JTops Bimini top for my Bronco Raptor. And I've had a lot of people ask 6, 7 months, 8 months down the road, they would say, hey, how's that holding up? Do you still like it? Would you spend that much money on that, today? And I'm like, oh yeah, absolutely. Now, from the very first time that I actually took the top off of my Bronco, I had people that were like, hey, you're gonna need something to cover the top. And I thought, it's not that bad. I'll just wear a hat. Yeah, you're gonna need something. So I'm gonna go over some of the high points of why I would go with the JTops, how it's held up. If you haven't watched that video of the install, you can go back and find that now. I'll link that in the description below. Now the JTops makes a Bimini cover that is specifically made for the Bronco Raptor, Bronco 2-door, Bronco 4-door. They even have, if you've got a soft top or a hard top option, you'll need to just get all that configured when you're doing your ordering process. They come in black like what I have on mine, but then they have other colors like aluminum, chrome, teal. Just, I mean, they kind of run a spectrum of colors. Some of those may be a little bit more. Pricing for these is going to be somewhere around the $320 range. For the Bronco Raptor, you're looking at about $389. You're going to add about $20 to $30, I think, depending on what color, if you go with something besides the black. Now, what I like about it is basically a no flap design. Your brace, which is only available on the Bronco Raptor, will fit over the top of this portion. Your top will fit exactly as it did before, so no need to worry with that. They incorporate zippers so you can lock and unlock your hard top when you have that installed. And obviously with the JTops, they do allow you to fold this portion back so you can continue to have this installed with your top in place. This also will go all the way back to the very back and connects here on your rear brace that is held on with some extremely good Velcro. You also have these earth magnets, which offer about 12 pounds of pressure. And you have those located down through here. You can see that's gotten a little bit dusty, but there's no fading, no fraying. And I have been using it pretty extensively. Obviously, when you have the doors completely off and the top completely off, you're going to get a significant amount of wind. But believe it or not, with that up there, just the amount of turbulent air that would normally come over the very top brow portion of your windshield does cut down on that. If you have the back shell on and the doors, and you have your windows down or you have your windows up, and you just like the open air feeling of the top being off, I'm going to drop a little video here. You can see, I mean, even driving about 50, 55 miles an hour, your hair's not going all crazy, so you don't get that that wild, looks like you've been riding a motorcycle without a helmet look. Installation was fairly easy. It did take me 2 days to do because you want to make sure that your Velcro gets completely cured. Also on the Bronco Raptor, just because you're going to go further back to this portion, you want to make sure that you keep it partially up on the top portion here. I got a little low. It doesn't really bother me too bad, but there's still enough Velcro for it to grab there. That is something to be mindful of. Also, you want to make sure that you get this properly torqued down because I've had these bolts actually loosened off. My top seemed to be risen just a little bit right here. I couldn't quite figure out why. I also had a little bit of wind noise coming through, and lo and behold, these 3 bolts had just loosened off enough that this wasn't down all the way. So you want to make sure that you check those maybe periodically just to make sure that they are tight. All right, yeah, and probably the biggest reason why I would go with the JTops is manufactured in USA, sourced USA materials, the nylon straps, everything that they use, that's all USA. So it's UV resistant, will not fade, and like I said, I have had incredible luck with it, and I'd do it all over again. I get nothing for this. I'm just saying, do your research, but my research led me to JTops, and then I thought, you know, the fact that they had one specifically for the Bronco Raptor is why I went with it. But if you've got a 2-door Bronco, 4-door Bronco, soft top, hard top, whatever, and you're looking for some sort of Bimini top, definitely get this. They don't use bungee straps, use those high quality magnets. Definitely go with where the quality is at, and I highly recommend the JTops. Thank you for watching my video. Please give a like, leave us a comment, and above all else, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.